Hey, this is Stevie.
Hey, how's it going?
I'm Marcus. We're here with Burdys Auto Detail, and today we're working on a 2019 Dodge Ram. It's white, it's beautiful. Well, not as beautiful as it's gonna be when we're done with it, but hey, let's show them what we got right here. We got, anybody see this? A little bit of that on there. You just like take that to the whole vehicle. Let's show on the inside. Yeah, let's show on the inside. So we got, oh yeah,
Some dog hair.
we do love our dogs though, right? We do love them. We are dog lovers. Here's that on the inside. Here's that on the gas tank, the wheels, the outside. We got to get everything, you know what I mean? You look around, this car's got dirt in it. We got to get it all dirt. And it's white, so we see everything. All right, Stevie, tell them what we're going to do with this car.
We're gonna start with exterior. Get rid of all this green stuff that you see collecting from this Washington weather.
Yes,
Get
sir.
taking care of that. Fix the wheels, fix the rims. Then we're gonna come back in the interior, get rid of all the hair. We're gonna do some vacuuming, steam cleaning, do the air compressor. It look brand new again. Get rid of that smell. It's gonna be showroom shine soon.
Can't wait to show you guys. Take a good look at how it looks like before. There you go. And we'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. We're about to kill it. Yay!
Start with the Doritos, and we're gonna collect all the hair before we use any type of air or anything, because it's not enough. Yeah.
Well, it's been one hell of a day. But I'll tell you what, this truck is looking badass again. I mean, woo. Yeah, baby. To show you guys what we did to the inside. I mean, night and day. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Stevie did wonders back here. Woo.
Oh yeah.
It's looking really good, yeah.
Good.
Hell yeah. Well, that's how we do it. Rain or shine, we on the grind, baby. Yeah. Yeah, I'd buy this truck.